Okay, so I have a tip 67 in here. This is just a basic leaf tip, and again, you can cut your bag the way I showed you, only a bigger cut to do if you don't have a leaf tip. But all we're going to do is at the joins here, we're just going to pop it in, squeeze really hard, and make a leaf to come out. And again, if you have that little part there that doesn't quite close, you just pinch it. Those of you who have nails, that's great. But the leaf tip, you know, hold just right against the cake, squeeze, relax as you bring it forward. Okay, so we're going to do that all the way around. And we're going to do it around our centerpiece too, so don't. Just pop it right in there. I didn't do a real great job with these, but this is not a show cake, fortunately. They'd probably laugh at me if it were. Okay. Hearts. Now, royal icing, buttercream, you know, don't get along real great. This will easily last a day because it's nice and thick, so it'll easily last a day on the cake. So if you do, you know, just put them on when you get to wherever your venue is or to the party or whatever, just put these on and then it'll last, you know, the entire day. I want them where the points are here, so we're just going to press them right there. I have to see. Okay. So we just want to put them right on top of our puffs. It'll, after, since this is nice and thick, we're good. But if you leave these on like a couple days or even 2 days, what happens is that the buttercream, the fat in the buttercream is going to break down your royal icing and you'll end up with a puddle on your cake. And if you have whipped cream, if you're doing this in whipped cream, you can do it in whipped cream, but you have to put them on the last minute because it's not going to last. Again, this is really thick. I've done whipped cream cakes with these drop flowers on them, and they lasted probably about 4 or 5 hours with whipped cream. For buttercream, they'll last an entire day. You won't have a problem. And yeah, you can put it in the, I didn't have a problem putting it in the refrigerator. But, you know, if it's longer than that, what you're going to do is you're going to see them start to melt around the edges. It'll look like it's turning to, you know, liquid sugar is what it's doing. It breaks down the royal icing, so you'll know. Keep an eye on it. Okay, so there's those. And we want to put this guy in the middle. We'll just attach it. And we're going to put these white leaves around that too. Just put that on there in the middle. And then these white leaves, we're just piping around the center. You can get fancier. You can do even more scrolly stuff on here. I mean, you know, live it up. Okay. So one last thing with these few extra drop flowers, right at the points, I'm gonna put these. I got extra drop flowers. Brings the color down, which I always like. There we go. There you do. There you have it. Okay, so here you have a quick, easy Lambeth style buttercream cake. You could easily, if you have the royal icing hearts already done and stored away with your extra royal icing, you could easily whip this together in an hour. So urgent party, not a problem.